What about Earth? How was it formed?
Earth is a small planet orbiting the Sun, which is surrounded by giant planets, stars, moons, asteroids, comets, and clouds of dust and gas.
Earth really looks tiny when you compare it to the huge Sun in our solar system. But for those living on it, it really is a huge, amazing world. The Sun is so huge that over 1 million Earths could fit inside it. It's truly amazing. When Earth first began to form, it was made of hot, spinning gases. Fiery meteorites hit the Earth early on, forming magmatic rocks. For hundreds of millions of years, our Earth steadily orbited the Sun, the same Sun that lights up our world even today. When Earth first arrived, things were unimaginably hot, much too hot to support any form of life. Its entire surface was covered in molten rock, glowing and bubbling like incredibly hot syrup flowing endlessly. This molten rock is what we call lava. You can imagine Earth as a massive sphere, just a giant, boiling, bubbling ball made entirely of this molten rock, constantly shifting and changing shape. No trees, no birds, no plants, and no animals existed back then. There was absolutely no air to breathe at all. And as if Earth wasn't already hot enough, meteorites carrying fiery material started crashing onto its surface, making it even hotter and more extreme. Long ago, Earth's surface was molten rock, but not just one type. There were many kinds, made of different particles, some heavy, some medium, and some very light. These weight differences affected how Earth's layers formed over time, with heavier particles sinking and lighter ones rising. As the hot particles that formed the Earth cooled and settled, the heavier ones sank to make up the Earth's hot core. Lighter particles settled to form the Earth's mantle in the middle layers, while the lightest floated up to create the crust, the Earth's outermost layer.
To really understand sinking and rising, let's carefully watch this simple experiment together.
Some water, some honey, next let's pour some liquid oil.
As you can see, the heavier honey quickly sinks right to the bottom here.
You can see that water settles in the middle layer while the light liquid oil naturally floats on top.
The sinking and rising movement I just explained. You can also connect what you saw in this video. The tiny particles that make up our entire universe exist in 3 different states: solids, liquids, and gases. The stuff on Earth exists in 3 main states: solids, liquids, and gases. What really determines which state it takes is how hot or cold the environment around it is.